Hello, and hope you're doing well. On this video I'm going to show you this Nutone 30-inch wall mount T-style chimney range hood with LED lights, and this one has a stainless steel finish. So let's take a look at what's inside. I opened the box because it takes a lot of space. This box measures about 33 inches side to side, 20 inches wide, and about 24 inches tall. The installation, and you can do this hood vented or not vented, and I'm going to do it as vented, especially when those strong smells. You want to vent the air outside the house. But of course, if you don't have the holes either on the roof or on the wall, then you can just get it with the filter. Of course, with the filter it does help a lot. Then here are the rest of the instructions and how to wire it and put it together. Here's a list of parts just in case you want to replace any. So here are a couple of brackets. This is what you're gonna need so you can put it against the wall. And it has the screws in here too. Be careful cutting the bag. The way I'm doing it is always cut away from you so you don't cut your fingers. Those are the brackets. Here are the screws. Everything you need so you can mount it on the wall. You're gonna need this because it's vented out so the air doesn't come in, but it does come out. And this is 6 inches diameter. And here is the rest of the hood. Here are the flues. And they have a cover, this blue cover. You can take it off, but don't take it off until you're already installed it. And just be careful because this is fragile, and this is one of two. The second one is right here behind it. And the rest of it is right here, which is the hood. I put it upside down in the box so you can look at it from underneath. Here you have the spacing for the filters. So they have a locking mechanism. You pull it here so you come out. The filters come in, they're very nice and thick. You're gonna have to take them off so you can install it. And of course you have both. The lights are LEDs and they're integrated, so there's no need to change the light bulbs. The motor itself is 3 amps. On the front you have the buttons, power, more or less, the light, and of course you have the vent system here where you're gonna cover it with the flues. And here is where the air comes out, and here is your power supply. So let's install it. So I'm done installing the hood. It took me a little bit longer because I had to make a hole through the wall, through the bricks, so I can have this vented outside. But it's only a one-time deal that I have to do that, and it's well worth it. The range itself, it's pretty cool. As you can see, it has the filters on the bottom. You can take them out. You can see the motor there. The light is here. The LEDs are nice and cool white. You have the fan. You can put 3 settings minimum, to maximum, and then you have the timer. The timer is 10 minutes. Whatever you have on, after 10 minutes it turns off, either the fan, the light, or both. I like the finish. It was easy to install. I hope you liked the video. Enjoy it.